Hello students, today we're going to be doing a lesson over problem solving. We're only going to be using the numbers 1 through 10 to get started off here. So, we're going to go over some keywords first. Addition is joining things together or adding things together. For example, you have 2 paper clips plus 2 more paper clips. Here now we have 4 paper clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. The equation is 2 plus 2 equals 4. So all we did was use these paper clips. It made it a little bit easier. Next is subtraction. Subtraction is taking away or subtracting from a number. For example, if students have 2 paper clips, here's 2 paper clips, and they take 1 paper clip away, you have 1 paper clip left, which leaves the equation with 2 minus 1 equals 1. Next, we're just going to do a little example of an addition word problem. So here we have a picture, and there are 3 frogs in the pond. So here's 1, 2, 3. 2 more frogs jump in. So here's 1, 2. How many frogs are in the pond now? So we're adding all of these together because 2 more frogs jumped in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that would be 3 plus 2 equals 5. Next is a subtraction word problem. If there are 3 ducks playing in the water, so right here we have 1, 2, 3, and 2 ducks get out of the water, 1, 2, how many are left? So there's 3 ducks in the water, and we're going to take 2 away. There's only 1 left in there, right there. And we can also use the paper clips or squares, but here we're just going to use the picture that goes with the word problem. Alright, so to sum that up, as you read the problems, you need to ask yourself, what keywords do you hear, like add together or joining, or for subtraction we would do separating. So now what we're going to do is a worksheet, just 2 simple little worksheets. First is the addition worksheet, and we're going to use these little colorful squares right here. So the first one is there's 2 squares, and we're going to fill in those squares with these little color boxes. So here's, if you can see that, let's see. Okay, so we're going to put 1 there, and the these markers just make it a little bit easier. So and we're going to put 1 there, and here. So that's a plus sign for addition. Keyword addition. So we're going to add these up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then right here on the side it says equals. So when we added all these cubes together, it was equals 4. And on the second one, we're just going to do the same thing that we did on the first. Put all these in the boxes. Get 1 more. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 3 plus 2 equals 5. And our plus sign shows us that it's addition, not subtraction. On the second worksheet is subtraction. And we're still gonna be using these or paper clips, whichever ones. Okay, so there are 4 squares. How many are left if you take 1 square away? So there's 4 squares, so we're going to put 4 squares out here. 2, 3, 4. Now it says, how many are left if you take 1 square away? So we're going to take 1 square away and count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 squares left. On the second one, it's the same thing. There are 2 squares. How many are left if you take 2 away? we have 1, 2. If you take 2 away, we're going to take both away. And now we see we have 0 squares left. And you just keep